Hi, so in this video, we will look at how to find variance and standard deviation for frequency distribution data. Okay, we look at example 1. Calculate the variance and standard deviation for the following data. So these are the formula of variance and standard deviation. Okay, first you have to construct frequency table and then add another two columns for fx and fx square. Okay, so for column fx, we use equals to f times x. Okay, so drag the first row, until the last row. Okay, for column fx square, we use equals to f times in bracket x power of 2. Okay, so we do the same process until the last row. Okay, therefore, from the formula, we want to find n, which is n is total of f, 50, and total of fx, which is sum from the first row until last row. So summation of fx is equal to 106. Okay, so do the same things to column fx square to find summation of fx square. Okay, which is 302. Okay, so substitute into the formula. Therefore, variance is equals to 1.577. And then for standard deviation is equals to square root of variance. So standard deviation is equals to 1.256. Okay, since the data here, which is the variable, is number of children, so this variable is quantitative discrete. So the answer should be into integer number. So therefore, standard deviation is approximately to one number of children. Okay, in previous slide, which is example 1, is example for ungrouped frequency data. So for example 2, I will show you how to find standard deviation for group data. Okay, from frequency table, we add another column for midpoint or x. Okay, and then I will show you how to find standard deviation by using calculator. Okay, before that, you can refer back in video of example finding mean for group data, which is we have learned how to substitute the data into calculator. So based on the video, we obtain total of f or n is equals to 40, and summation of f times x is equal to 730. So based on formula of standard deviation, we have to find summation of f times x squared. Okay, so by using calculator, after you have substitute all data into calculator, press shift and then 1 for s sum, and then press 1 again for summation of fx squared, which is 17,400. And then for standard deviation, press shift 2 and then press 3 for standard deviation. So standard deviation is equals to 10.23 or 10.23 minutes.